One great way to find new video ideas is by using AI. If you use ChatGPT, it will create you a lot of video ideas in a matter of seconds. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up with your email from the link below and start using ChatGPT for free. Okay, now let's see how ChatGPT can help us brainstorm video ideas. For example, let's say you want to make a video about make money online. So ask ChatGPT for video ideas by typing a prompt like list me 10 video ideas about how to make money online. And ChatGPT will generate a list of potential video topics. But if you are not happy with these video ideas, you can ask again, list me 10 more, and ChatGPT will create 10 more ideas. Sometimes the ideas ChatGPT creates can be more general topics, but if you prefer, you can also niche down and find additional video ideas. To niche down, you can select one of the generated ideas, let's say this one. You can either copy the text here and paste it to the message box, or you can click on this icon here and it will automatically copy it here. Then you only reply to this section and you can directly say, list me 10 similar video ideas for this topic. And ChatGPT will now provide more detailed topics around this video idea. So it can also create you video ideas for a more specific topic. So as you see, you won't waste time anymore to find video ideas every time before you make a new video. ChatGPT created here 30 ideas for us just in a matter of seconds. Therefore, we can see that AI can be very helpful while creating content. You can sign up to my newsletter if you are interested in more similar information.